Earlier this year, I joined the group, the Dominance Group, led by Miss Ruth Somasi. And in this group, we are given a 40 days challenge to always post on our socials, create content around our business, and post on our socials. And one of the books we were asked to read in this group is The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. The 10X Rule is a book I've read before, but because of that task, I had to read it again. So, because of that, I'll be doing a review on the 10X Rule about the book. So, one of the things you understand about the 10X Rule by Grant Cardone is that it will help you, it's a book that will help you to achieve 10 times more whatever you've targeted or imagined in your thoughts. So, in the first chapter of the book, Grant Cardone was trying to explain what the 10X rule entails. The 10X rule entails having 10X thinking and also having 10X action. What do I mean by this? If you have the thoughts of closing 10 sales in your business, then you should have the momentum to make 10X of that 10 sales, of that 10 calls, right? So it means that if you look to sell to 10 people, then you have to make 10 times 10 people, which is 100 calls. So in the book, he gave examples of how he was applying that in his life. And the truth is, this 10X rule can be applied in every aspect of your life. It can be applied in your health. It can be applied in your spiritual life. It can be applied in your business. It can also be applied in your relationship with your parents, with your spouse, with your mentors and mentees, right? So the 10X rule is nothing but having a 10X thought, having a 10X kind of thinking, right? The standard might be just to do 10 reps of a particular workout, and then you tell yourself that you will do 10 times this 10X, this 10 reps, which is 100 reps. This makes you to do more than you've imagined in yourself to be able to do, right? Imagine when you set target of doing 50 sit-ups and then you set the target of doing 500, you will find yourself doing 100 and above sit-ups. In your business, you have a target of hitting 100 million in sales, right? And then you set a target of hitting 500 million in sales and you work towards that, putting the necessary actions in place. You will find yourself achieving close to that 500 million target you've set for yourself. That's for the chapter 1, right? 10x action equals 10x thinking. So you have to think it in your mind first, right? You have to 10x the thoughts you have in your mind before you can be able to achieve it. If you can't see it in your mind, if you can't put that perspective in your mind to do 10x, then you won't achieve 10x by your actions. So with that, we go into the number 2, which is what is really the importance of having 10x action and 10x rule. What is the importance of this 10x rule, right? So the importance of the 10x rule is to help you to achieve more than you've thought of, right? He gave an example in the book about having a team in your business and you give them a target of 100 million. Let me use 100 million in sales, right? And then after 1 month of pursuing, working towards this target, you kind of like feel that it's now too difficult to achieve. Like you can't achieve this 100 million sales you've set for yourself. You start to feel pity for yourself, right? But in a situation whereby you've set 10x of that target, you won't pity yourself to just stop at that 100 million sales you've targeted. You work towards doing way more than that, right? You talked about not pitying your employees, not making them to feel that, oh, this task is too hard, this task is too overwhelming to achieve. The 10x action makes you to understand that whatever thing you want to achieve, understand that you will have obstacles.